Hi everyone, today I'm going to show to you a very quick and easy way how to name a table in Excel. You can, as you guys can see, I have a table. Well, I have a data here. First, I'm gonna insert the table. You'll go here and then under Insert column, there is a table column. Then you just enter the table. Then you say OK. That will pretty much you are inserting a table. So there is actually a good benefit inserting a table when you work on a data. If you guys can see right here on the right corner on the bottom, you see you can pretty much add more table if needed. So that way you're not losing your data, or you don't have to create a table over and over again. Pretty much this is kind of helpful. So back to today's topic, how to name a table. All you gotta do is go to, once you create the table, go to a table tools here on top, design, and then let's say we're gonna name this table rating. So right here under table name, I'll go here and then type rating and then press enter. Simple it is. This is how you pretty much name the table. If you go and click there, it will tell you this table named as a rating. Let's say if you want to name a cell by itself, not a table. Let's say this cell is low. So if you want to name this cell low, same thing. Pretty much what you gotta do is you just click, make sure you are in that cell, and then go here and change low under this. This will pretty much naming it. I'll talk about in the future why is the benefit of labeling a table. It will help you when you're adding formulas. But for now, today is a very easy and quick way how to name your table. Or if you come across a formula, it's calling out a table name, and that's pretty much how you can just go and click here and see this table. This file has two tables or two names, the rating and the low. And then if you have more, you can drop it, and I can go and say, hey, show me this one, and it will take me this one. Or show me the rating, and then it will take me the rating. So if you have a lot of labeled table, clicking here will help you a lot. Okay, hopefully this helpful today. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell sign. All right, thank you. Bye.